So here is how you can set the Java home variable in your Windows system. So you first need to go to Windows C drive, program files, and then locate the Java folder. Inside the Java folder, go inside the JDK that you have installed. So I have installed JDK 17. I'll go inside that and I'll copy this whole path. I've copied this path in my clipboard. Now I'll go to the environment variable dialog box. I'll press Windows R to launch this run dialog box and I'll type sysdm.cpl. Under system properties, I'll go to the advanced tab and now I will go to environment variables. Under environment variables, I'll go under the system variables section and I'll press new. Here I'll give a variable name as Java underscore home and I'll paste the value, the variable value that we have just copied, which is the path to our JDK. I'll press OK and then again I'll press OK in the various dialog boxes. So that's how you can set the Java home variable in your Windows 10 system. Thank you.